Okay, so welcome to the final lesson of this module. Now, there are different ways I can use this in our design. If you are using Figma, like me, you could change this to code mode. That's if you have the premium version, you can change this to code mode and just copy this entire code and then export it. Okay. Okay, but if you are not, you can just easily export this entire design. Okay, you can export this entire design on your device. Yes, and say exports. And just say exports. And that will export to your local. Now that you've exported it to your local machine, now let's go ahead and use it in our code. Okay. Disclaimer, I don't know how powerful Raptor Mini is, but let's try it out. Let's first start by attaching. Let's start by attaching this file. Okay, so I find out that the what's it called now? This particular AI tool, that is Raptor Mini, does not have the ability to add screenshots. So what I did was that I went back to my Figma and I clicked on share, but this time instead of copying the prototype link, instead of copying the share link, I copied the dev mode link. So you can copy the dev mode link, okay? So I think I should bring my mic closer right now. So I copied the dev mode link, all right, and then after copying the dev mode link, I came back to my my ID and I said redesign the home page to look like, and I gave it the link. And the first thing it did was that it tried to have access to my Figma, and I can see that my Figma is currently showing in my ID, but unfortunately, I don't want to give it that right because I don't want other stuffs. Okay, you can give it the right in your own case, so I denied the rights, but it continued. And at the end of the day, it says the home page now follows the structure and visual hierarchy of Figma file, clean toolbar, bold arrow, and feature panel immediately below. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check out our Coco website now. And you can see it now that it now looks better. It looks better than we have initially. Aha, it's getting shape. It's getting in shape, okay? So it kind of look better than what we have. And there are still more work to be done here. However, at least we now know we can view table. It now follows the visual hierarchy, and the visual hierarchy is the logo, the navigation bar, a CAT, and an arrow section. And then you can see the arrow section with both action buttons, and then it continued with why you should choose us and more like that. All right, in the next class, all of this is still static design. We will learn to give it functional logic using JavaScript. So in our next class, we are going to be learning JavaScript. And after that, after JavaScript, we're going to be learning logic, of course, using JavaScript. Yes, we're going to be learning logic hierarchy, and many more. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.